Hi friends, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss 12 key steps to build a website from scratch. Here we are going to know the steps related to web designing from zero to launching. Building a website from scratch involves several key steps. Here is a general outline of this process. Here I am going to give 12 steps which are going to play major role in web designing and launching our own website. The first step, define your goals. So here while designing our website we have to define our goals, determine the purpose of designing our website and goals of our website, identify your target audience and what you want to achieve with the site. So you are designing a website, so you should have clear goal, why I am designing this website and why, who are my target audience and what I am going to achieve with this website. Like these points you have to remember in your mind while designing a website. This will help you make important decisions throughout the development process. Without goal you cannot reach anywhere. Next, second point, you have to remember, plan your website. So have a clear site map or role model website. How you want to design your website means the clear visual representation of your website should be in your mind, means structure, how you want to design and what are the points you want to be in your website. Everything should be in your mind. This will help you to organize the pages and content you will include in future. So have a clear plan before going to design. The third step or third point you have to remember, domain name. So domain name means the name of your website should be unique and it reflects the content which is in your website. If you have put a different domain name and you are posting different content, means it feels not good. So the content and the domain name should be unique and relatable. Next, the fourth one, select a web hosting. So to launch your website you should have web hosting. So in a market we have so many web hosting services. Find a good and reliable web hosting service from that various services. I prefer always hosting or GoDaddy. Okay, so consider factors like server reliability, storage, bandwidth and customer support. All this you need to check before going to take hosting from any hosting provider. You have to check how can I reliable that server, storage, bandwidth and customer support. So take reviews from the customers and go with a reliable web hosting. Next, the fifth one, design the website. So this is the key point. After taking domain and hosting, we have to start designing our website, like layouts, looking, everything. So or you can hire a professional web designer or website builders. We have so many website builders and content management systems like wix.com, web10.com. Like this we have so many websites for web designing. So mostly I prefer WordPress is the best website for designing our website. In this we will get already predefined or pre-designed themes, everything. Okay, design the website. Next, the sixth one, create website layout. So simply how our website looks depends on this layout. Develop a visual layout for our website using HTML. Okay, hypertext markup language. Using a hypertext markup language and CSS, cascading style sheets, we will design our web page structure. Okay, it is for presentation, how you are presenting your website. Okay, next, Develop website functionality. So after presentation means looks are over with the CSS and HTML. Next you have to go with the functionality. If your website requires interactive elements or dynamic pages, you may need to learn programming languages like JavaScript, PHP or Python. These languages enable you to add functionality like contact forms, search bars or e-commerce capabilities. Suppose if you are designing Facebook like websites and interactive websites, you need all the forms and logos like that. We need a language, okay, either JavaScript or Python I prefer, okay. Next, add content. After completion of designing, add content to your website like text, images, videos and other media. Ensure that content should be informative, engaging and optimized in search engines, and it is not copyrighted content, okay. So remember these points while uploading the content to your website. Next, SEO, search engine optimization. To rank your website, it plays major role like search engine optimization means implement search engine optimization techniques to improve your website. Like you have to give meta tags, keywords, and you have to give unique and high quality content, building backlinks. All this comes under SEO. So SEO is the major plays a major role while ranking your website. So while designing content, please make sure that it should have unique keywords and meta tags. Next, test and debug. After completion of your designing, after development, layout and everything, after posting your content, so test once, okay. So test this website in different devices like Android mobile phones, iPhones and laptops and PCs. Like this, on different devices you have to test your website, and in different browsers and different screen sizes. So website may vary with the screen sizes and devices. So you have to check and ensure that it is functioning correctly in all devices and all screen sizes and all browsers. Next, if you have any bugs, fix and go with further functionalities. Next, launch your website. This is the main thing in your website designing process. After completing testing and debugging, if you are satisfied with that functionality which you have tested, your website is ready to launch on server, okay. So after completion of this, make sure that it is the website is live for visitors or not. Make sure that it will come under hosting server and your domain name will be interface, okay. Next, last thing, after launching your website, you have to take feedback from users. Next, you have to maintain that website, any updates you have to do. Next, mentor your website analytics to gain insights into your site performance and make necessary improvements based on your customer feedback. So these are the 12 steps we need to launch our website into online platforms. So please do subscribe to my channel SV Technology for more videos like this, and please do support me. I will try to make more videos like this, okay. Thank you.